Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to edit your PDF using DocFly. So guys, open your DocFly website and click upload your PDF file. After that, what you have to do after uploading your PDF file, the file will be uploaded is greater than 2 megabytes, and this is take longer to upload, and please wait patient. This is my PDF guys, click this one. So after that guys, wait to loading this page, and this from here you can edit your PDF easily, as you can see here, without any problem guys. You can add text from here, and you can add the text, as you can see here. You can add signature and your signature here from text, and you can add a picture, image. You can upload image from your mobile or your desktop. After that, you can add link here. You can integrate a link from here. Just click this option and you can click link, and you can add highlight, and you can add shapes, as you can see, shapes, and you can add circle guys. You can add anything. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon guys.